Hello guys, I am Ananya and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I thought of doing something quirky and unique. So what should I do? You can see this plain white wall behind me, and yeah, I know it's too plain, basic and dull, but I thought of renovating it and paint it with my own ideas. Yeah, I'm not a pro at doing this, but I must say that I did other paints too in my house, but I haven't recorded yet. But as I have a channel now, I thought of recording it and sharing with you guys. Colors I'll be using to paint, and here are the brushes. Yeah, starting from the mini thin brush to the flat thick brush, we have total 6 in number, and here we have 9 colors. It's by Fabricale acrylic colors, and there's also some from the Camel. Yeah, so you can see these are our colors. So I also drew some outlines there, but as because of the camera effect and the lines are not that thick, so it's not visible to you guys. But without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. So first of all, I'll be starting with this black color with this thin little brush, and for the paint I'm going to draw a dream catcher here. Yeah, and I'll be outlining with this black color. So let's So here we have painted this whole our Chanda Mama. For a quick update, I am not an artist, so don't judge my skills. But I feel good while doing this. I like painting, and as I am a geology graduate, so knowing some basic art forms is necessary. Also, I got a fun fact to share with you guys. When I was a kid, I never went to an art school, but a teacher came to teach me. Was an art teacher, obviously. But the fun fact is that with no offense, he is very good at his art and his profession. He's known by that. But he had this big nail. So when he used to teach me on the paint book, he used to draw lines with his nail on with this finger. But then as I was a kid, I got scared, and one day I didn't do well. So he was about to slap me, or he just showed that. But from the next day, I pretended that I'm sick, I'm not well, and I asked my mom to clean him. So that is the case. Otherwise, who knows? I would be an artist by now. You can see here the whole round is completed, and it's full of colors. Here is our Chanda Mama, and we'll do the later. This will do now. So for this feather, I am using combination of 2 colors, that is green and pink, as I guess it will instantly brighten the whole theme. Yeah, so I'm coloring. I'm using different brushes for different colors so that I don't have to wash them every time I use. See, this is the final outcome. How colorful it is and yet vibrant. Yeah, did you all liked it? Actually, I'm pretty happy with this outcome. What do you think? So it's done. There are 5 feathers, and as you can see, here is one guardian angel. Actually, I am impressed by my skills. Yeah.
Really, I am impressed by my skills. Yeah.
Okay, the next thing is, this looks great, but I want to add some personal touch to it by creating my shadows, my reflections there. So it will be a suspense to my viewers. So what's the there should be a trailer, no, that will attract my viewers. So when I'll reveal the suspense, and you can see the rest. Yeah, so let's begin. money also lies in this shopping freak or the fashionista, which who has no clue whenever she goes to shopping to which one she should pick. So this is one of my reflection. This or that.
अपने नसीब का मैं बादशाह नहीं, तू मेरी शाम है, तू ही मेरी सुबह। तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया, तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया, तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया, तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया। शोर आया ऐसे तो तू बेफिक्र है क्यों, शर्माई मंजिलें तू बेखबर है क्यों, रंगों से दोस्ती है मैंने भी करी, क्या है तू सोचती मुझको भी तो बता। तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया,
The final outcome, as you can see,
मैंने सुन लिया,
it looks great, isn't it?
तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया, तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया।
As you can see the first picture, here is my personal reflection holding a lot of books. Yeah, as any student, and especially how can a library and information science student can ignore this? The books are the topmost priority. Yeah. And coming to the next picture, everyone can relate to this, I guess, from every generation, because nowadays we are so indulged in technology. That's me working on a laptop. This is me holding, confused between dresses, and next which is on the top of my list now, this is me trying to create some awesome videos for you guys. Yeah, I love you. So that was for today's video. Hope you all liked it. This is the final outcome. As you can see, all of you have seen some amazing wall arts, but this is one customizable one. So I hope you liked it, and please hit like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, till then, take care. Bye bye.